We're going to write an equation of a rational function in factored form that has a horizontal asymptote of y equals negative 5/4, a vertical asymptote of x equals negative 9, a whole at x equals 2, and an x-intercept at negative 4, 0. That's a whole lot of stuff. First thing that I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to write f of x equals, and I'm going to throw down a fraction. I don't want to forget to put my function notation. This is asking for a rational function, so I should write that down. All right. Now, I'm going to skip over that horizontal asymptote at first. I usually do that at the very end. For my vertical asymptote of x equals negative 9, that means I need to have a factor in my denominator that does not cancel with anything that is x plus 9. So if I have that one right there, I'm going to have x plus 9 in my denominator. If I set that equal to 0, I get x equals negative 9, which is the equation of that vertical asymptote. Same kind of thought process with the whole at x equals 2, except I would need to have x minus 2 in my denominator as well as in my numerator. So setting x minus 2 equal to 0 would give me 2. It is canceling, right? So that is a whole. Okay. Now an x-intercept at negative 4, 0. How do I get my x-intercepts? My x-intercepts come from setting whatever's left over in my numerator equal to 0, because I want my whole function to equal 0. And the only way to get that is if my numerator is equal to 0 divided by something in my denominator. All right. So how am I going to get negative 4? Well, that would mean that I need to have, for this one, x plus 4, because if I set that equal to 0, I'll get negative 4 for x. So there's my x-intercept of negative 4, 0. The last thing here will be my horizontal asymptote of negative 5/4. So I can go ahead and just throw a negative 5 up here and a positive 4 down here. And that way, if this were all multiplied out, in my numerator, I would have negative 5x squared and then some stuff divided by positive 4x squared followed by some stuff, right? If we FOIL it all out, we're going to have a lot more terms. But those are going to be my two highest degrees of 2 and 2. So I would compare the coefficients, negative 5 over 4. I am good to go. This is right here. This is my final answer because it's in factored form as it asks. I don't have to multiply it out. We are Gucci, as they say on the math streets. All right, see you.